whole point of perspective drawing is having one side bigger than the other, and there are a bunch of ways you can use to draw perspective. For example, foreshortening perspective, which is what we are going to be looking at today. And one of those ways is drawing a circle, a small circle on top, and drawing a bigger circle on the bottom, connecting the ends, and then using that as a building block for your drawing. Same thing goes for using a box. Now, using a box is very essential, especially when drawing people, because it adds more of a 3D effect. So today we're going to be focusing more on the box, using the box for shortening drawing. So basically what I just did is I kind of imagined my reference. I kind of imagined my reference in a box. So it's like the bigger part of that box is where the foreshortening stands out. It's all gonna make sense as you keep watching, but here's the box as I'm creating right now, and as I start putting my reference inside the box, it's important to understand the value of shapes and form.